Well, folks, I have failed. If you are rebuilding this Mini Cooper manual transmission 5-speed Getrag, do not ever try and push the whole bearing through the case. It breaks the case. And you can see here is what remains of the transmission case. I will need to either find another case or another whole transmission for the car now. What it started out as some fairly minor repairs, well, it no longer is a minor repair. So, and if you're wondering, yeah, don't try to change those two bearings. The ones that go here and here, leave them. Unless there is a grind in it. And in that case, you'll have to figure out a way. And by the way, you will have to get the detents out, because otherwise the shift forks do not release. And you will have to figure out how to press the shaft off of this bearing without taking the bearing along with it. It's doable, and I should have done it that way, and I didn't. Because it didn't make sense to me that you would have to, but you do. So, this is a very, very big precaution in screwing with one of these transmission cases. Unfortunately, I needed to clean out all of the metal debris because that's what it was from the defective bearing that was on the differential. But now, I need to find a transmission case for this thing, and my price has just probably doubled if I can find the case at all. But this is a precautionary video for anyone who wishes to try this. And by the way, the socket size I used, in case you want to press on a bearing, it's 1 7/16 inches. But I don't suggest you try it. Anyways, make sure you like, share, subscribe, whatever. And don't do this to your transmission. So long.